y'all know I'm the original charm bangle girly, but I gotta hop on this Michael's charm bracelet trend, so let's go. I kind of want something colorful, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. And since I have most of the charms at home, I just picked out this little cute charm, so let's go make it. These are the charms I chose out of my vault. As a little tutorial on how to actually put it on the hooks. You can also use these little tools to make it easier, but if you don't want to, go out and buy all these tools, use your hand. But you see, I just glide it through. Then I already figured out where I wanted to place it. And then you're just gonna take the clamp and close it. Super simple, like it'll take you maybe 10 minutes to make this. So let me finish, show y'all the results. I couldn't put all the charms on there, but it's so cute. Let me try it on. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I'm kind of obsessed because it is actually so adorable. What do y'all think?